In this lecture, let's discuss why people buy short ebooks. A common question people tend to ask is, why would anyone pay for information they can get for free, with just a little bit of effort on their part? Excellent question. Here is why people will pay for what they can get for free. Number 1. People are lazy, smart, and sophisticated. They will pay $2.99 for an ebook so that they have all the necessary information they need in one place. Number 2. The book may have extra details and information they can't find on the website. Number 3. If the book is based on blog postings, the book may be taken down at some point and they won't be able to go back to it. These are the main reasons why people are ready to pay $2.99 for a short book, and this is exactly why ebook market is thriving. In the next lecture, let's discuss the ways to get book ideas.